Radio City and Midday presents the Hitlist Web Awards, co-powered by Cipla, honoring the best content from the year 2019.
The whole point of the award itself is the fact that we're looking at web in the same way that we've looked at popular cinema for over years. These are the most comprehensive web awards in the country with 14 categories. You can choose your favorites in terms of shows, in terms of the performances.
Oh my god! I love it.
The largest platform that honors your binge list. Winners of the nominated categories are shortlisted by a jury of experts and by public voting.
Let me tell you a little bit about working on this jury, about the selection process. I have to tell you, it was very, very rigorous. We watched everything which was eligible for nomination, which was eligible to be awarded. And when I say everything, I mean everything. And we discussed every category threadbare.
It was partly a jury selection and partly popular votes. I'll be honest, a lot of the decisions were very, very similar. Some of the most loved shows of the year were common between all of us.
You voted and they won. Announcing the winners of the Radio City and Midday Hitlist Web Awards. The winner for the best series is The Family Man.
The Family Man is a special show. It's a show that has transcended all barriers of geography, nationality and language. A show that has been loved by families not just in India, but across the world. Today, I want to start by thanking the family men, Raj, DK and Manoj, the entire cast and crew of the show for putting their blood, sweat and love in this show. Big shout out to Team Amazon. What an honor this is. Finally, the audiences for showering so much adulation.
The winner for the best creator is Raj DK for The Family Man.
Thank you Midday for this Hitlist Award for Best Creator.
And thank you Radio City and Midday for recognizing all our hard work. Thank you so much.
The winner for the best web film is 377 Abnormal.
Thank you so much for this honor. 377 chronicles the journey of some of the real-life petitioners from the LGBTQ community that fought the courts over 17 long years to abolish IPC section 377 and decriminalize homosexuality. So it was a personal battle for them, it was a social battle, and I'm truly honored to have made this film. Thank you Tarun Katyal from ZEE5 for giving me the opportunity. I want to thank the jurors for voting for this film and encouraging us to do better. Thank you so much. And above all, I want to thank the audience for their overwhelming love and response to our film. This is truly an honor. It encourages me to write better, to do better.
The winner for the best actor is Mohit Raina for Kafir.
What the digital medium has done is that it's created this incredibly democratic environment for all artists to really make the choices that they care enough about. We have so much talent and so little opportunity for so many people.
The winner for Best Actress is Shweta Tripathi Sharma for Lakhon Mein Ek Season 2.
Hi guys, this is Shweta Tripathi Sharma and I would like to say a big thank you to you and to Midday Hitlist Web Awards for giving me the Best Actor Female for Lakhon Mein Ek Season 2. Lakhon Mein Ek Season 2 is very close to my heart. It's one of my favoritist projects that I've been a part of. Abhishek Sengupta is an absolute favorite director. Thank you Biswa, thank you Kriti, thank you everybody. जब आप एक एक्टर को ऑन स्क्रीन देखते हैं तो बहुत कुछ जाता है टू पुट देम देयर. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे जो स्क्रिप्ट होते हैं, डायलॉग्स होते हैं, कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट, मेकअप, द वे इट्स बीन शॉट, द बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक. सो थैंक यू टू एवरीबडी एंड होपफुली आई विल डेफिनेटली कीप सरप्राइजिंग यू गाइज एंड डूइंग यू गाइज प्राउड. थैंक यू.
The winner for the best supporting actor is Neeraj Madhav for The Family Man.
Check out this beauty. I just received the Hitlist Web Awards for the Best Supporting Actor Male, and this is really special for me because it's the first award I'm getting for The Family Man. Thank you Raj and DK for giving me Musa Rahman, and thank you all for voting me from the list of so many big names. Family Man was such a great show, and I'm very glad to be a part of this. Unfortunately, we couldn't conduct the award ceremony. It would have been fabulous. But anyways, they sent me this home, so here we go.
The winner for the Best Supporting Actress is Priya Mani for The Family Man. The winner for the Best Comedy Non-Fiction Show goes to One Mic Stand. The winner for Best Writing is The Family Man.
Best Writing for The Family Man. This award is shared with our writing partners Suman Kumar and Sumit Arora. Happy to be receiving this.
And congratulations to Priya Mani and Neeraj Madhav for winning other Hitlist awards.
The winner for the Best New Season is Little Things Season 3.
Thank you Radio City and Midday. Thank you for making Little Things win the Best New Season Award 2020. Means a lot. I would have honestly been very happy just being nominated considering the great nominees that are already there on the list. But this one makes it feel extra special. So thank you, and thank you for everyone who voted and appreciated and criticized the show.
The winner for the Best Adaptation of a Book or Series goes to Sacred Games Season 2.
So first season, because it was already out, I just realized कि क्या popularity है एक popular show का सारे.
Like I think you guys got a bungalow for free because the guy who owned it was a Guy Tonde fan. That's what I remember Anurag talking about.
Possible.
The winner for the Best Non-Hindi Film on the Web goes to Madhu C. Narayanan's Kumlangi Nights. The winner for the Best International Season goes to Stranger Things Season 3. The winner of the Best International Show goes to Chernobyl.
Thank you so much once again, Midday Hitlist Web Awards, for this.
Thank you Midday, thank you Radio City. This one's special.
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Midday Hitlist and Radio City for this award. Stay tuned for Season 2.
Congratulations again to all the winners of the Midday and Radio City Hitlist Web Awards.
Congratulations on the first Radio City's Hitlist Web Award.
Congratulations on the first ever Radio City Midday Hitlist Web Awards.
A lot of work is happening on the digital side. It's a great opportunity to get recognitions for a lot of people who are involved with this platform.
Congratulations Radio City and Midday for the Hitlist Web Awards of 2020.
Congratulations to Midday and Radio City for the first Hitlist OTT Awards.
Congratulations to the Hitlist Web Awards 2020.
Don't miss it. Be sure to always catch it on the web or on radio or in print.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.